My name is Peter Pittman, and I am going to introduce our product, which is a revolutionary design and protection for the sport of paintball. The team members who participated in this project are Perry Bobbitt, Chris Johnson, Glenn Connors, Corey Whitworth, Garrett Buckley, Mitch Roth, and myself. The Smart Armor neck protector utilizes a non-Newtonian solution, which adjusts its viscosity based upon stress input into the system. In layman's terms, the fluid-like material becomes solid at the moment of impact, then immediately reverts to its malleable state. The source of this intelligent molecular design is found in the D3O material, which maintains these properties while also being able to be formed into self-maintaining shapes. Chris Johnson has generated this computer model, which provides a visual simulation of what is occurring within the product material. As you can see, upon the point of impact, the molecules of the D3O material momentarily realign to become denser. This creates a temporary shield at the impact site, which provides unsurpassed protection capability. The performance level of this material allows for the armor to maintain a minimal profile to ensure comfort, breathability, and flexibility without sacrificing protection.
Hello, my name is Perry Bobbitt, and I did the political legal side of our product. In 2004, only 3 states had laws mandating the sport of paintball. In 2008, the number had quadrupled to 12 states regulating the sport. Most states currently have some sort of law that limit the persons that can participate in the sport or mandate the safety equipment that are used during the game. This opens the market for our product to become one of the mandated safety products required to prevent injury, similar to the Hans device.
An example of the future viability in this protection market is found in the history of the Hans device, of which use is now mandatory in 40+ racing series, including NASCAR. Dr. Bob Hubbard recognized the need for protection from a relatively rare but serious injury intrinsic to racing. Despite the lack of mass awareness, Hubbard undertook perfecting the technology ahead of the demand. Over time, this injury type became familiar to the sanctioning bodies of racing series nationwide. The final catalyst was found in the death of Dale Earnhardt in 2001. It had resulted from the particular neck injury which Hubbard's product specifically defended against. According to Hubbard, Earnhardt's death was a watershed because it brought everybody to the awareness that even though this is rare, it can happen to big people. By 2002, the use of neck protection was mandated for use in NASCAR, but by 2005, only the Hans device remained as approved and mandated. Due to its superior design and performance, the Hans device is the sole protection utilized within the Sprint Cup, Nationwide Series, Camping World Truck Series, and all NASCAR's regional touring series. The total number of Hans devices sold during the entire 90s was somewhere around 250 devices. Approximately the same total number of Hans sold in the week following Earnhardt's death. Today, over 40 racing series that fall under the banner of various sanctioning bodies use only the designated SFI 38.1 certified head and neck restraint devices. Of that figure, all but 4 have a Hans-only mandate.
This example shows that by taking the initiative to develop a superior product ahead of the demand, a company is able to practically own the market share. This is specifically true of devices which fall under the ruling body regulations and mandates. Our product also affects the typical stigma surrounding the game of paintball. When most people hear the word paintball, they think of pain and injury. Our product will make injury to the neck much less likely. Therefore, younger participants could participate without fear of serious injury. The device capabilities would also be an incentive for field owners due to the decreased risk of liability and legal disputes over injury. This may potentially lower the cost of insurance, ultimately making the paintball field's financial bottom line rise. Our neck protector is the new leader in the safety game, and we feel that with the game of paintball becoming safer, our product will only be in greater demand as time progresses.
Hi, I'm Mitch, and I research the economics of the paintball industry for this product. With one look at the paintball industry economically, we're led to believe that our product will not face any hardship due to price. The paintball market is firmly established as a popular hobby in the United States, and we'll need to lean on our current customer base to launch the product. In 2010, 1.29% of the U.S. population over the age of 6 participated in paintball at least once during the year. According to SGMA statistics, the income of the average paintball player was between $25,000 and $75,000 in 2010, which represents nearly $95.5 billion in total income for the paintball market. Furthermore, nearly a quarter of paintballers that participated in paintball at least once in 2010 earned over $100,000, which comes out to another $889 million in total income. Despite these strong income statistics, SGMA has recently recognized paintball as one of the fastest growing extreme sports in the country, which allows us to forecast future market growth and assures us that the market will be able to sustain a new product.
My name is Garrett and I cover demographics for this product. And while the majority of paintball participants are men in their 20s, there is also a large number of people outside of that group that play paintball on a consistent, regular basis. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 3.65 million total participants in the industry of paintball.
Hello, my name is Glenn Connors and I did competition in our marketplace. The most significant companies in our marketplace would be Rockstar and Zephyr. Rockstar's neck protector is very simply a thin layer of neoprene and Velcro closure. It provides minimum protection. Zephyr, on the other hand, has created a more competitive product. Zephyr constructed out of thick neoprene for decent protection and adequate comfort. The downside to this product is that it does not offer much flexibility, and players complain of a stiff neck after extended use.
Hello, I'm Corey, and I did customer taste and preference in the marketplace. And as Glenn stated before, there are a handful of companies that have similar products that are out on the market today. And studies have shown that most paintball players are not satisfied with these products due to common problems such as weak protection, lack of mobility, and discomfort. Currently, the majority of products only protect the neck from breakage of the skin and not from bruising, swelling, or trachea damage. On the other hand, the products that restrict mobility are not being bought by customers because being able to turn the head and neck is very important when playing a high-intensity sport such as paintball. Most of the people that complain about the lack of comfort of these products claim that the neck guards would get hot, sweaty, and itchy in a matter of minutes, as well as restrict the breathing of the player and cause neck stiffness the next day. We tried to make a product with high-quality protection without the problems that I just mentioned.
By observing other popular commercial campaigns centered on our target demographic, we determined that a straightforward presentation of the remarkable capabilities of the Smart Armor neck protector would be an effective way to generate a buzz. We strove to achieve an effect of shock and awe with the multiple shot sequence toward the end of the commercial. This we coupled with a paramilitary feel, which is also currently in trend with the majority of this demographic. In short, we gave the product the mic and allowed it to speak as loudly as it could.